How to create a distort effect in Unreal Engine 5. When I change this value, you can see we have a distort effect. And also it can use in the sequencer. You can see this sphere is disappear now. Yeah, let's start it. First, I create a new material and change the name. And now I will open it. I close two of them. And next, I will change the blend mode and change to mask. Right click and type texture sample. And now I select click here and type noise. I drag it down and find this noise. I drag this texture and connect to the opacity mask. And you can see we have a simple mask now. And next, I will create an add. Disconnect this one. One key and left click. Create the substrate. And add another one minus. And connect to opacity mask. And now I will change this value. And you can see I have something different here. Yeah, maybe I will set the default value to 0.3. And now I will convert it and change the name. 3 key and left click to create a color. And I convert to a parameter and change the name. And I do it again to create the color. And next, I click M key and left click to create a multiply. 1 key and left click. And change this value, maybe 50. Next, I will add another multiply. I connect it. And yeah, I will connect this one to here. You can see we have something different than before. Before that, I will add another node, subtract. I will disconnect this one and just to here. 1 key and left click. Change this value. And here you can see something different than before. And convert to parameter. And change the name. Yeah, our material is finished. Apply it. Then next, I will create a material instance. I open it. I will check all of them. You can see, when I change this value, we have the distort effect now. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I close it. I will close this sequencer and delete this old sequencer. And this one, I will set it to a default value. And I drag this new material to here. And now I create a new sequencer. And I drag this sphere to sequencer. Maybe I change this value. Make sure you can see the sphere. Next, I click here and select Study Mesh component. Click here and select the default material. You can add this parameter. So you can add all of them. Also, you can see we have a keyframe now. You can adjust here. You can make a keyframe. Maybe I can change this color. Maybe not. I think this color is okay. The next I will change this distort. Yeah, you can see we have a simple distort effect now. When this sphere disappears, this shadow still here, so I need to make these cast shadows have the keyframe. You can drag this keyframe. Yeah, maybe it's better now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.